Hey there! Today we are going to make a date mixer. Date is very thick material, so it needs to be strong and useful. Hope so. Okay, first of all, we need to start with front plane. My customer asked me to make it 1000 liters, so let's try a sketch or a shape that will give me 1000 plus liters. So this one here, let's make it 25. I think that's good. That's correct. And this one here, let's make it around. Okay, let me see. Okay, this one, let's make it 35 centimeters. 35 centimeters. That's great. And let's remove this and this and this. Okay. Equal relation. Okay guys, so this is here our basic shape, and okay, let's test if it is really 1000 liters. So let's make extrude bus 150, evaluate. Okay, here is, yeah, okay, yeah, that's great. It is 1000 plus. Okay, so our dimensions are good. So let's start with the other step here. Let's make this sketch shows what is built for. Okay, first of all, date is very viscous material. It's very thick and sticky, so mixing it is very hard job. So let's make I'm going to make mixer plates here and a mixer plates here that moves in opposite directions. For example, this one moves clockwise and this one moves counterclockwise, and they are intersect with each others. In that case, it would have the enough power to mix the date and make it homogeneous. And to bring the date out of this mixer, we should have here an auger here, auger like a screw with a large pitch around 5 centimeters or 6 centimeters, so it can move the material out. So let's try to simulate this for construction, and let's make a vertical line here, and let's mirror this about this. Okay, that's great. And we should, like, okay, we demonstrate our goal here. Okay, and this one here is an auger. I think it's enough to be 4 inches. 4 inches. Yeah, okay. This one here, let's make it 57.5 centimeters. Yeah, that's great. And let's make it here around 10, and make a tangent relation here. Okay, let's make 12. No, it cannot be 12, it should be 10. Why 10? Because each mixer here, each plates, they have it has an axle here and an axle here, and they might be 4 centimeters. Okay, that's great. So if I made these plates closer to this auger here, it shall collide with the axles. Let's look, as you can see here. So I can do it, and it's enough to have a distance between this point and this point within 10 centimeters. So I think this one should be 8 or 8.5, I think. Yeah, okay, 8.4. That's great. Okay guys, so this is our basic sketch, and I think it's doing uh, well. So I'm going to make this with using sheet metal, and because this one here is an